So, what did we learn today when you place an egg in plain fresh water? It sinks straight to the bottom, but as soon as we add salt to the water, the egg starts to float. The more salt we dissolve into the water, the higher the egg floats. This happens because adding salt increases the density of the water. When the water becomes denser than the egg, it can push the egg up and make it float. This is a perfect example of density in action, and you can see it with just an egg, some water, and table salt right in your own kitchen.
Let's try this cool magnet trick. First, I place a thin piece of paper on the table and put a metal needle on top of it. Now I take a strong magnet and hold it underneath the paper. Look, the needle starts moving and follows the magnet perfectly. Next, let's make it a bit harder. I add a second layer of paper. I put the needle on top again and bring the magnet underneath. Wow, the needle still moves easily through 2 layers of paper. Now, let's test something different. I place the needle on a ceramic plate. I move the magnet underneath the plate. Amazing! The needle still follows the magnet without any problem. Finally, for the real challenge. I put the needle on top of a very thick book. Watch carefully. When I move the magnet underneath, the needle still moves, but much slower this time. So, what just happened? The magnetic force can pass through many materials like paper, ceramic, and even a thick book. However, the thicker the material, the weaker the force becomes, so the needle moves more slowly. This is a fun way to see how magnetic fields can travel through different objects.
I will make simple compass by using styrofoam material, then needle, then the magnetic, and water. First, we rub the needle to the magnet. Minimal. 30 times. Releasing. 30 times. Direction. In the same direction should not be opposite, yes. If we rub it forward. Terus. 230. Forward like this. I just rub it. The more? Getting good, yeah. Then I took styrofoam. I poked the needle like this. Then I take water. And then I put down the needle that had been affixed to a styrofoam. Don't let it. Needle touches water. Then try to take our mobile phone. Yes. We have installed the compass. Yes. Well, look here. If we see Makadai. Already in the same direction, which is north. And south of it, yeah. Like that? So, if we adjust, already in the same direction, it's north and south. Well, like this is the needle. North and south. So, this is an example of a simple compass. Using styrofoam, the needle then the medium is water. Hopefully, this video useful.